Hey, good morning, guys. This is Kush. After a really long time, I'm doing a video of this Cruise Orbit flash drive Sandisk of or 8 GB, and I cut it for my own convenience over here. Let me show you that it got some private Sandisk secure SS software, and let me tell you, this pen drive is really small, and this got 360 spiral something. Yeah, Srill. So let me just quickly unbox it and show you how tiny and small it is, some of the features. Get out. Here you go. This is something. Yeah. This is the pen drive. And believe me, it's really tiny. It's really tiny. Look at my hand and compare it. It's really small. There's something written over here. This is 8 GB and stuff. Yeah, and these are like some locking features. So when you twist it, let me try and twist it with one hand. Yep, I can perfectly do it. Wait, I'm not so used to it. Yeah, here you go. That's what the pen drive looks like. Let's see, you can lock it over here. 1 second, guys, it's checking. 1 second, yeah. You can lock it like this. You can lock it like this. And it still feels really small in my hand, and moreover, it's got 360 spiral. So yeah, and let me just put it next to a key so you can see how small the pen drive is here. Okay, so, and yeah, let me just quickly put it in my MacBook Pro and show you the storage and stuff. Yeah, that's it. So and let's go to Finders over here, and then see you get two features over here, and like pen drive you get two features: the secure access, and if you are using a MacBook you will get something like this, and you need to download it from here. So, and let me just quickly show you some info about it. Over here you can see it. Let me try and focus. So yeah, this is what you get, and I haven't used this software right now, and I'll use it and tell you guys the review, and do tell me about how you feel about the pen drive. Do you think it's nice? Is it worth? And yeah, take care, guys, and keep on liking and subscribing and comment if you have anything.